Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing I'm going to be drawing Ash from the Pokemon series. I've gone through all of the Pokemon that I've been drawing recently, and I've drawn an awful lot of them, but I'd never actually drawn Ash. I've recently been doing a lot of anime drawings. I've had a lot of requests from people on my channel, and I thought I'd give Ash a try in a sort of anime manga style. So as always, I've gone over this with pencil, freehand to begin with, and then I've used my Faber-Castell fine line marker to go over the lines. I'm using Copic markers to do the colouring in. So for the red on Ash, I used a cadmium red, and for the darker areas in the red area, the shaded areas in the red, I used a cardinal red, which is a maroony browny kind of red. The greys that I used for this were Cool Grey 1 and Cool Grey 7. I used the Cool Grey 1 in the whiter areas around Ash's hat and his sleeves of his coat. I really like this picture because the way that Ash's hand was sort of coming towards the viewer or the camera, I thought it would make quite a good drawing with the comic strip background as well. So it just makes it look as though the drawing's popping off the page. For the skin tones that I'm currently drawing, I'm using a sand colour. And then I went over the shaded areas with a Cool Grey 7. So underneath the peak of Ash's cap, there was a Cool Grey 7 under there, just to give the added dimension, the shaded look of the peak of the cap. All in all, this took me about an hour and a half to draw from start to finish. I'm quite happy with how it ended up. I want to just thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. It means an awful lot to me. My channel's growing quite nicely at the minute, so every share, like, comment and subscription that you guys make means an awful lot to me. It just propels my channel forwards. I'm hoping to be at 3,000 subs by the end of the year. So by the end of 2018, I'm currently at about 1,700. So it'd be fantastic if you guys could help me on that journey. I'm doing requests at the moment. So if you've got anything that you'd like me to draw, then please don't hesitate to get in contact with me either through the video here in the comment section below, or you can get a hold of me on all of the social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. The links to all of my social media are in the description below. We're nearing the end of this video, so just wanted to once again say thank you so much for the support. I hope you enjoyed this drawing tutorial. If there's anything you'd like me to do in the future, please let me know, and I will get on that as soon as possible. I'm doing daily videos at the moment, so all of your requests hopefully should be answered, as long as I'm not getting thousands at a time. And we're nearing the end of this now, so I'm just going to show you a final picture of the finished drawing with the markers that I used. And I'd just like to thank you again, and I'll see you all in the next video. I hope you have a great day.
Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.